Right, that's beautiful. Okay, bismillah. Okay, folks, welcome back. Sorry we got terminated on the last video. We got under the file size for that particular video. Okay, we're still on clip 104. Start that again, it's dripping. Clip 104, grade C, Mathswatch CD. Non-calculator for obvious reasons. You have to factorize these expressions using common factor technique. I've enlarged the question, hopefully you see them more clearly in the video. So the first expression, we're going to do that over here. So 2x squared minus 4xy, and we'll do the bottom one next. So that's going to be 3x squared y squared plus 9xy. Okay, right. Okay, Mr. Hassan, we're joined by my student Hassan today. So we're looking at this question here. We need to think, before we start splitting the question up, what are the common factors that we can see with our eyes? So we look at the numerical parts first. So we have a 2 here and a minus 4 here. So we start thinking about what is the highest common factor so far. And the highest common factor they both have inside them is a 2. So minus 4 is made up of minus 2 times by 2. It has a 2 in there. Okay? So let's get rid of those now. So we know that the 2 and the 4 can be factorized by taking a 2 out of them. Then we look at the x squared and the xy. And what do they both have inside them? They both have an x inside them. There's an x here which is visible and an x inside the x squared. So we need to now start to split up each individual part and see where that gets us. So now we're going to do 2 times by x times by x. Okay? Minus 2 times by 2, which is 4, times by the x times by the y. Okay. Hassan, are you happy with that so far?
Yeah.
So we're splitting them up and we can see those factors clearly in there. So where are the factors? Here they are. This one and
those 2.
There you go. So what we're going to do with those 2 x's, we're going to pull them
out.
Pull them out. Right in here. Okay, well now, what do we have left now? So we have left over here is just x on its own. And a minus and a
2
and a
y.
So minus 2y. Grammatical there. Job done. Should we check it? Test it, is it right? Hassan?
Yeah.
2x times by x is 2x squared. Good. 2x times by minus 2y is minus 4xy, which is correct. And there's no more common factors in there they can pull out, so we finished that question. That question is done. Happy? Right, next question. Question 4D, Mathswatch CD, grade C question, clip 104. That's the one. Now, we look at this expression, 3x squared y squared plus 9xy. It doesn't matter how many indices they put on there, how big they make the equation. You look at the question the same way. You think, what do these things have in common? So we look at the number part first. Hassan, 3 and 9. Straight away you should be able to tell me that the highest common factor with the numbers is 3. They both contain a 3 as the highest common factor. 3 is made up of 3 times by 1. 9 is made up of 3 times by 3. Next, let's go to this. Look at the letter part, algebraic part. Okay. So you have x squared y squared, Hassan, and xy.
Yeah.
So there's an x here and there's also an x in. There's a y here and there's also a y in. So
it would be 3xy.
3xy is what we're going to pull out. Now, let's start to split it up. So we have here now 3 times by x times by x times by
y times by
y times by y. Okay. Plus. Okay, now we're going to run out of space a bit. Okay. Okay, how do we do that? I think we'll do it on the bottom over here. Hassan? Okay, we just take it up here a bit. Okay, right. We have 9xy, which is going to be 9 times by x times by y. Okay, but the 9 we're going to split up first, isn't it?
Yeah.
So let's do that. Now it should be really 3 times by 3 times by x comma y. Okay, because you can't leave the 9 as it is because you're going to pull the 3 out of it. Now let's start pulling out the common factors. So what's common here is the 3xy. Where's the 3xy? So we got here 3 and the x and the y separately. Just link them up. Okay. And where's the 3xy here? Here it is. Okay. Now, so what do we have left over now? So when I pull out from this side 3xy, what have I got left over? I've got left over x,
you
xy.
got an x and you got a y.
Xy. X times by y is xy.
Xy. Yeah.
So put the plus back in, and the only item left on this side is just the 3.
Yeah.
Okay, that's done. Okay?
Yeah.
So you have 3xy outside the bracket times by xy plus 3, and that's done. If you want to test it, 3xy times by xy will give you 3x squared y squared. That will give you 9xy, which is exactly right. Okay folks, I hope we will be hopefully combining these two videos together on YouTube once we've uploaded them, so you can see as one video. So it'll be questions 1, 2, 3 and 4 from the top right to the bottom, each kind of style of question explained. Hope this video will help you with the examination preparation folks, for those of you following us at home on YouTube worldwide. Thank you very much for joining us. Jazakallah khairan. Inshallah, see you in the next lesson. Okay, Hassan, thanks for that. Man, that's a good lesson. That was good, man. Okay.